Yeah, man, this episode cold, man, you feel me? They done broken the homie's whip. I don't know what they took, I forgot. Then after they broke into the whip, the police came and put something on the whip that said that the homie had to move the whip. So it's like double. So, yeah, man. This episode cold, man. I had to clean up all the glass, get everything right. Also fix windshield. So if you do need your windshield fixed and repaired, holla at your boy. Let me know. I will pull up. I still do pull-ups. I will still come out, work on your car for a fee. You feel me? Holla at your boy. Let me know what it is, what you need, and I will pull up and, yeah, man, get you right. You know what I'm saying? How you rolling, film an episode, tag you in it, whatever, you know? So also let me know if you do need work done on your car. I still do mobile work. So, yeah, man, this was a mobile job I had to go do. Fix the window, get it cracking. You know what I'm saying? So the homie could roll again. Or so nobody would get back in the car. Or so the cats ain't back there sleeping at night. So, you know what I'm saying? How to get it cracking, man. Check it out. E36. We got a broken window and regulator. Well, not regulator, just a window. Go in here, clean everything up, replace the window. See, yeah, broke some stuff off. Get them back on the tracks and be good. So let's get it, regulator. Now what? Now what? New windows in. Regulator's on. I disconnected it because I think maybe the motor may be bad because you push it too long, it doesn't go up and it doesn't go down. So I set it up to the highest position and I disconnected it so that way it can't go down. I bolted everything down, double bolted it in the back so that way you ain't gotta worry about the rivets. And I put Loctite so these ain't coming apart. Got that on there, so yeah, man. New window on. I just gotta come back and grease on the inside, and that'll be it. So yeah, man, we on. New window. Now, do you see the major difference that made? You know what I'm saying? And that quick, you know what I'm saying? The homie already had the window. I was gonna go to the junkyard, grab a window, but he already had it ready. You know what I'm saying? Put the window in, and now it's fine. When I got there, it was cats in the car. It was like 10 cats up in there chilling. Now can't nobody get in the car. It's locked up, it's closed. I think that car's for sale too. So if you're looking for a black E36 automatic, low miles, holla at the homie, hit me up, and I will get at him. You feel me? It's automatic, low miles. I think the only thing is just a clear paint pillar. Paint that car, low miles as it is, swap it or whatever you're gonna do. You got you a fresh whip. You know what I'm saying? So if you do want to buy, let me know and I'll let the homie know and get you right. Get you an E36, you feel me? For the right price. And it got low miles. Honestly, I would grab that car. If I had like if I didn't have so many projects right now, I would grab that car. But the fact right now, I can't handle it right now, man. Too many projects. So, yeah, man. Let me know. You looking for your 36? Let me know. But, yeah, they came out good. Came out clean. Everything works fine. I think maybe later he's going to need a window motor. Because the regulator is fine, but, yeah, he's going to need a motor for that thing. But, yeah, man. I do it all. From windows, engines, everything, man. Let me know. Until the next episode, y'all. Peace.